Today, we're learning all about CVC words and how to blend them. A CVC word has 3 letters. You blend them together to make a word. For example, C-A-T. C-A-T blend together to make cat. You have a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. That's why it's called a CVC word. Let's try and blend this word out. K-at, cat. C-A-T makes the word cat. Let's practice blending some more words. B-at, bat. Nice work. Let's keep blending. Ig, pig. S-I-T, sit. J-E-T, jet. Jam. D-a-d, dad. N-a-p, nap. Fox, fox. Log, log. Sun. Web. Mud. Nice blending. Let's practice identifying sounds of a CVC word. Here I have the word rat. I have 3 letters that build the word rat, but oh no, I'm missing the very first letter. I see that I have a, t, but I'm missing the sound. What letter makes the sound? That's right, it's an R. Let's tap this word out together to blend it. Ready? At, rat. Nice job. Let's keep practicing with some other letters and words. Here I have a first aid kit. Kit is our word. But if I look at my letters, it looks like I'm missing that first sound. I have it written, but I'm missing that first sound. That first sound is a k sound. What letter makes the k sound? Nice work, it's a K. Let's blend it out together. Ready? K-it, kit. Nice work. Do you have a first aid kit in your house? Let's try another word. In the picture, I see that this word should be bun, but I'm missing that middle letter. I only have the letters B and N. Let's say that word bun again. I'm missing the sound. What letter makes the sound? U makes the sound. Let's blend that out together. Ready? Bun. Bun. Nice work. Let's keep blending. I see a picture of a leg. I have in my word the O and G sound, or L and G, but I'm missing that middle letter, that middle sound. What sound is missing in the word leg? It's the letter E. The letter E makes the sound, which completes our word. Let's blend this word out together. Ready? Egg. Leg. Nice blending. Let's move on to our next word. I see a picture of a box. But it looks like in my word I only have I need to fill in the ending sound of the word box. Which letter makes the sound x? X makes the sound x. Can you cross your arms and say x? Nice work. Let's blend it out together. Box. Box. Nice work. Great job blending CVC words with us today.
Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more It's Easy with Twinkl videos.